Hello, my name is Twan Dijkmans. I'm the Director of US and Latin America for SES Sulphur Experts. I want to take a moment and invite you to our technical training courses conveniently held on the Gulf Coast here in Kemah, Texas. Whether you are talking about amine treating, sour water stripping, or even want to delve into the magical world of sulphur recovery, the training will definitely lift you to a higher level and will set you apart in the industry. With over more than 25 years of on-site experience, our industry experts will take you into design, troubleshooting, engineering, whatever you can think of, and we will make sure that you leave with more than just a certificate. Engaging interactive sessions, Q&As, hands-on activities that bring the theory to life, it's all gonna be there. So, mark your agendas, secure your spot, and get ready for an unforgettable learning experience in the heart of the Gulf Coast. And if you register before March 26th, you get to enjoy an early bird discount. That's a nice catch too. We look forward to seeing you in Kemah this spring.